Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write chapter 5 of your thesis. Chapter 5 is the conclusion and recommendation section of your thesis, and it's one of the most important parts of your research. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps you need to take to write a successful conclusion and recommendation chapter. Step 1. Summarize your findings. The first step is to summarize your main findings from the previous chapters of your thesis. You need to remind your readers of the research questions you asked at the beginning of your thesis and the key results you obtained. Make sure you present your findings in a clear and concise manner and avoid introducing new information. Step 2. Draw conclusions. After summarizing your findings, the next step is to draw conclusions. Based on your research results, what can you say about your research questions and hypotheses? What are the implications of your findings for the field you study? Be sure to link your conclusions back to your research objectives and the literature you reviewed in Chapter 2. Step 3. Provide recommendations. The third step is to provide recommendations. Based on your research findings and conclusions, what recommendations can you make to improve practice, policy, or further research in your field? Remember to be specific and provide concrete suggestions. Step 4. Discuss limitations. No research study is perfect, and you need to discuss the limitations of your study in this chapter. What were the challenges you faced in your research and what are the implications of these limitations for your findings and conclusions? It's important to be honest about the limitations of your study to ensure your readers have a complete understanding of your research. Step 5. Conclude. Finally, it's time to conclude your thesis. In this section, you need to summarize the key points from your conclusion and recommendations chapter. You can also restate the significance of your research and how it contributes to the field. Remember, your conclusion and recommendations chapter is your chance to leave a lasting impression on your readers. It's important to take your time and make sure you present your findings and conclusions in a clear and concise manner. With these tips, you'll be able to write a successful Chapter 5 for your thesis. Thanks for watching.